When Pawnee was struck by a large earthquake in September, some damage could be seen in Oklahoma State here in the Union parking garage on these pillars. Although most of the damage in Pawnee and Stillwater from the state's largest earthquake back in September was mostly cosmetic on buildings, it still causes some fear to students. Sayaka Isoda, a graduate student at OSU who came from Japan, was not expecting earthquakes when she first came here in 2008.
From 2008 to 2011 I stayed here, but there was no earthquake except maybe one that I felt when I was taking class.
Yeah.
But so I was really surprised because I never expected, because before coming to the US I thought earthquake happens only in California and maybe different places, but not in Oklahoma.
Dr. Todd Hallahan, an expert in geology, sat down for an interview with us to explain earthquakes.
So I'm playing kind of a strange role in this. A lot of times it's the guy who gets the most funding and the most papers in a discipline. I'm the guy who is trying to play the most neutral. So one of the top things that you do not do in an earthquake-prone area is do brick facades. And our entire campus is one large brick facade. So, in terms of construction, we didn't build this for seismically active areas. Those natural ones have a pattern that we understand. We can't predict them, but we can predict the size of things that would happen, and we can predict the odds of things happening. And so that helps a lot with management. With these, we still have uncertainty about what's the top size that you could make.
Tamara Ramirez, a construction management technology senior, was surprised about the earthquakes in Oklahoma, even though she is a domestic student.
Actually, so I work on the 5th floor of Scott Hall, and when we had it was like a 3.6 or something, everything was shaking, and we're like, do we need to evacuate? I was like, I didn't think Oklahoma had earthquakes. I thought it was just Tornado Alley.
For O State TV, I'm Kurt Stice.